So, what I always want you to know, now this is empty, right? Now how you check to see if it's empty is when you pull it back. You don't see anything in there, right? You don't have a magazine in there. So, now, what you do, magazine is already all the way in there. And then when you pull this all the way back, right? Now, it's something in there. So now, what you do is you just pull it back a little bit. You see that? It's in there. Now, just gonna start out. So, remember, just like I told you, every time you pull this up and you keep it pointed there, so wherever you want to shoot, if you want to shoot at that 3, you aim right at that 3. You put that right there on the 3, okay? So always remember, you keep it down. All right, go ahead.
You just pull the trigger?
Yeah. Now hold it tight. You're going to hold it. You're going to hold it with 2 hands. So now when you do hold it, you're going to hold it like this. You don't put your finger in there until you're ready to shoot. So you go just like that. And you take this hand, you go around it just like that. So you got it? So this hand, right hand first. Never put it in there. Yup. Hold it tight. Now push this all the way up on there. Then this hand, you cover it. Now, you always keep your hand out until you're ready to shoot. Alright, so hold on. Don't put it there until you're ready. Okay? And when you pull it out, you push it all the way out. So let me see. You push it all the way out. Yep. So now, you always keep it like that. Whenever you're ready to shoot, that's when you put your finger in there and you just take your time. Take your time, and shoot. Okay?
What am I aiming for? I don't know how to aim.
Whichever one you want.
I don't like the noise.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how to aim. Like, I don't know what I'm aiming for.
So you see the number 3? You go straight for that.
I'm scared I'm gonna let go when I pull the trigger.
So look, let me see it. All right, take your hand off. This is, hold on, let me show you. Step back. So what you're gonna do, just like that, right? Just like I said, you're gonna wrap that all the way around.
Okay.
Hand off. Just like that, right?
Alright.
So what you gonna do?
Why are the bullets bouncing back?
That's how they are. Alright, go ahead.
I don't know if I'm ready. I'm scared.
Take your time. Go ahead. Same way you did it with the long one.
I don't know. The long one just felt more.
Same way.
The bullets can't hurt if they bounce back.
No. See? It's not hard. There done.
I'm scared.
And see, all you doing, like I said, just there.
I don't like how they fly back either. Why do they do that? They don't go through.
That's it. You ready?
I'm gonna stop recording and leave it. Thank you.
How you doing?
Good, sir, good.
All right. All right, bro. How you doing?
Doing well. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Well, okay, right.